So this is actually the back side of the property. The back of the property backs to Wild Azalea Drive and then goes all the way up to the front main leg on Willow Way. I started doing a walkout video and realized that I stopped it when I was walking somewhere through the middle of the track and noticed it when I got here to the back of the track that we are no longer recording. So this is actually the back side of the Willow Way lot that's listed currently for sale. It does roll throughout the tracks. There are some parts that are higher, some parts that are lower. There's one decent gully on the north side of the track. So it's definitely going to require land work if you want to build. But so we are coming from the back property line back to the front. There are some areas that are really thick. A lot of the stuff in here though is small hardwoods like this that could easily be underbrushed to open it up if you're wanting to flip sell it. If you want to build, like I said, you are going to need to do a little bit of land work. This is one of the high spots in the back part of the property. I'm going to start to transition down here a little bit. I would say this is about 2/3 of the way in. There's that gully that I was talking about. That's over to the north side. I would say this is the lowest part of the non-gully part of the property. That's that gully that I was talking about over there. And I'll show it to you better from the road. See how that's a little bit higher than where we were? Let's get back up to the road. your lot's down there at the end. Let me show you this gully that's down here. I'm not exactly sure where the property marker is on this side without pulling the plat map again, and I forgot to bring it with me this morning. But I'd really like to know where this side ends. Hard to see in there, but it's about a 20-foot drop from here down. And I cannot determine where the side marker is on the side. I've not seen it since I have tried looking. Trying to zoom in and see if I can go past some of the stuff, but it's so thick. They got some rock runs through here, so I'm wondering if they've had some drainage issues. See, there's one there, and then there's one there, and then there's one farther down, which I'm not going to be able to see in the camera. But this is lot 21 Eagle Point. And this has got to be about the center area because they put their lot numbers about center. So I'm thinking that gully is probably right on the border of this property.